Welcome to Best Choice. The best spin brush heads is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components of maintaining optimal oral hygiene, and choosing the right replacements can significantly impact the effectiveness of your daily cleaning routine, ensuring a brighter smile and healthier gums with every use. Number 5. Aoremon Replacement Toothbrush Heads for Philips Sonicare E-Series. Introducing Aoremon Replacement Toothbrush Heads, designed for a superior clean. These are compatible with Philips Sonicare E-Series Essence and other screw-on electric toothbrush models. Ensure a perfect fit with our specially designed heads. They are engineered to seamlessly attach to your existing electric toothbrush. Experience a dentist clean feeling every day. These heads provide exceptional plaque removal and a thorough clean for your oral hygiene. Get more value with our convenient 6-pack. This ensures you have replacements readily available for months to come. Replacing your brush head is simple and quick. Just screw it on and enjoy a fresh brushing experience. Keep your smile healthy and bright with regular replacement. These heads are essential for maintaining optimal oral health. What we like. If you're looking for a cost-effective replacement for your Philips Sonicare E-Series or other screw-on electric toothbrushes, this 6-pack is a great option. They offer a reliable clean at a fraction of the cost of branded heads. Choose these if you prioritize value and compatibility with specific older Sonicare models. What people say. The brush heads are a perfect fit for my spin brush. They clean my teeth thoroughly and leave my mouth feeling fresh. The bristles are soft yet effective, reaching all areas of my mouth. Number 4. Oral-B Braun Replacement Toothbrush Heads, 12 PCS. Upgrade your brushing experience with these high-quality replacement toothbrush heads. Designed for optimal cleaning, they ensure a thorough and effective oral hygiene routine. This pack includes 12 professional-grade brush heads, providing you with a long-lasting supply. They are engineered to deliver a superior clean, reaching every corner of your mouth. Perfectly compatible with a wide range of Oral-B electric toothbrush models. Enjoy a seamless fit and enhanced performance with your existing device. These refills are ideal for popular Oral-B series such as the 7000, Pro 1000, 9600, 500, and 3000. Keep your toothbrush performing at its best with these essential replacements. Experience a noticeably cleaner feel and contribute to a healthier smile. These brush heads are designed to effectively remove plaque and maintain gum health. Get exceptional value with this 12-piece pack, ensuring you always have a fresh brush head ready. Save time and money while maintaining peak oral care. What we like. For those who own Oral-B electric toothbrushes and want a bulk supply, this 12-piece set is ideal. They are designed for a professional-level clean, tackling plaque effectively. If you're looking for a long-lasting supply of compatible Oral-B brush heads, this is the choice for you. What people say. The brush heads are a perfect fit for my spin brush. These replacement heads are effective and clean my teeth thoroughly. I appreciate the variety of brush head types included in the pack, offering options for different cleaning needs. Number 3. Ocedar Mop Head Replacements, 2-pack plus 2 scrubber. Introducing a complete set of mop head replacements designed for your Ocedar spin mop. This pack includes everything you need for a thorough clean. Our microfiber mop heads are perfect for tackling dirt and dust on smooth surfaces like hardwood and tile. They are durable and machine washable for easy reuse. For stubborn messes, the scrubber mop heads feature stiff bristles to lift away tough stains. When used with the microfiber heads, they deliver a 99% more effective clean. These mop heads are built to last. Made from high-quality materials, they can be washed and reused multiple times, making them an eco-friendly choice. From kitchens to living rooms, these mop heads are suitable for various floor types and situations. They are ideal for cleaning both everyday dirt and stubborn stains. Specifically designed for the Ocedar EasyWring 1-tank spin mop, these replacements ensure a perfect fit and optimal cleaning performance. What we like. If you have an Ocedar spin mop and need to tackle both everyday dirt and stubborn grime, this set is perfect. It includes both microfiber heads for general cleaning and scrubber heads for tough stains. You should consider this if you want versatile cleaning power for various floor types and messes. What people say. The brush heads are a perfect fit for my spin brush. These replacement heads are exactly what I needed. They clean effectively and leave my teeth feeling very smooth. Number 2. Oral-B Professional Electric Toothbrush Heads, 20 PCS. Experience a dentist clean feeling every day. These replacement heads provide a superior clean, reaching deep between teeth and along the gum line for optimal oral hygiene. Designed for a perfect fit with your Oral-B electric toothbrush. Enjoy seamless compatibility and effortless replacement, ensuring your brushing routine remains uninterrupted. Stock up and save with this convenient 20-piece value pack. You'll have fresh brush heads readily available for months to come, ensuring consistent oral care. Achieve professional-level cleaning results right at home. These brush heads are engineered to effectively remove plaque and polish your teeth for a brighter smile. Perfectly compatible with a wide range of Oral-B models, including Pro 500 through 8000 series. Keep your favorite electric toothbrush performing at its best with these reliable refills. Our brush heads are designed to be gentle on your gums while effectively tackling plaque. Achieve a thorough clean without irritation, promoting healthier gums and teeth. What we like? This is the ultimate value pack for Oral-B users, offering 20 replacement heads. If you want to stock up and ensure you always have a fresh brush head on hand for months, this is the way to go. It's perfect for families or individuals who use their electric toothbrush daily and want maximum convenience. What people say. The brush heads are a perfect fit for my spin brush. These replacement heads clean my teeth effectively and leave my mouth feeling fresh. I appreciate the variety of brush head types included, allowing me to choose the best one for my needs. Number 1. SetSail Toothbrush Heads for Oral-B. Upgrade your brushing experience with these premium replacement heads. Designed for a superior clean, they ensure your oral hygiene is always at its best. This convenient 8-pack provides excellent value, ensuring you have fresh brush heads readily available. Keep your smile bright and healthy for longer. Achieve a professional-level clean every day. These heads are engineered to effectively remove plaque and polish your teeth for a healthier mouth. Experience the perfect balance of cleaning power and gentleness. The medium soft bristles are designed to be effective yet kind to your gums. Our precision clean technology reaches deep to clean between teeth and along the gum line. Get a thorough clean that you can feel. These replacement heads are designed to be compatible with Oral-B electric toothbrushes. Enjoy a perfect fit and optimal performance for your daily routine. What we like? For Oral-B users who prefer a gentler yet effective clean, these medium soft bristled heads are an excellent choice. The 8-pack ensures you have replacements readily available. If you have sensitive gums or are looking for a comfortable brushing experience with reliable Oral-B compatibility, these are highly recommended. What people say. The brush heads are a perfect fit for my spin brush. These replacement heads clean my teeth thoroughly and leave my mouth feeling fresh. I appreciate the variety of brush head types included in the pack, allowing me to choose the best one for my needs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.